Rule number 5. So rule number 5 is shifting of summation point before the block. So here look in diagram carefully. If we want to shift this summation point, blue summation point before the block, so what we have to do? We have to add again here additional block 1 by G, and there is a proof for the same. So proof for the same. So here C of S, what is the C of S? R of S multiply with this gain G, R of S plus R of S into G plus X, okay, plus X. Then here if here C of S now across, we shift this summation point before the block. We shift this summation point before the block. So both R of S and 1 by G of 1 by G get added with this summation point. So R of plus R of S plus X by G into, so into G. So if we solve this, G is inside the bracket and denominator and numerator G cancel, so single X is remain here. So C of S in first diagram control output C of S, so controlled output in S domain is same in second, even if we shift the summation point before the block. Okay, so this is the rule for shifting the summation point before the block. Okay, then rule number 6. In this rule, if we have to move the summation point, shifting the summation point after the block. Okay, so if we want to shift this summation point after the block, then we have to add a additional block. So ज्या ब्लॉक वरून आपल्याला शिफ्ट करायचा आहे हा समेशन पॉइंट, त्याचा गेन इथे आपण ऍड करतोय. ठीक आहे, ठीक आहे, हे लक्षात ठेवायचं. ज्या ब्लॉक वरनं शिफ्ट होतोय आपण, ॲरोची डायरेक्शन इथे बघा. सो दिस ॲरो इज मूव above the block G, so we add here G gain. Okay, now here C of S is equal to G in bracket, C of S is equal to G in bracket R, here R of S plus X. Okay, so if we multiply this G inside the bracket, G into R of S plus G into X. Okay, after shifting this summation point, G into R of S, G is multiplied with this R of S and X into G. So both C of S are same. In first diagram C of S is this, and in second diagram we got same C of S. Okay, so when we shift the summation point after the block, we have to add the gain of block from which we shift that summation point. Okay, so the next rule is shifting a takeoff point before the block. So if we shift this summation takeoff point before the block, so we have to move from this direction, so from above this block. Okay, so here what we have to do, we have to add a additional block G, so ज्या ब्लॉक वरनं आपण टेक ऑफ पॉइंट शिफ्ट करतोय त्या ब्लॉकचा गेन आपण इथे ऍड करणार आहे. ओके, सो वी हॅव टू ऍड द गेन ऑफ the block G if we shift the takeoff point before the block. Okay, the equation proof is written here. C of S is equal to, what is C of S here? Here C of S is G into R of S. Okay, and what is X here? X is a takeoff point. So by using this takeoff point, we can connect the C of S. We can the takeoff point. By using takeoff point, we can apply input in forward direction also and in backward direction also. So here X is equal to C of S equal to G into R of S. Okay, so it is written here. Now if we shift this point, what is C of S? C of S is equal to G into R of S. So this equation is same, and X takeoff point is equal to, here X is equal to G into R of S. ठीक आहे, X म्हणजे काय आहे, G into R of S. इथे सेम पाहिजे असेल तर आपण काय करणार आहे, त्याच्यामध्ये G, we add the additional block G into R of S is equal to X. Okay, so this is the rule number 7. Now rule number 8. Okay, so rule number 8, shift the takeoff point after the block. So if we shift the takeoff point after the block, okay, so in some problem during reduction, block diagram reduction problem, sometime we have to move the takeoff point after the block. In that case, we have to add the additional block which have gain 1 by G. ठीक आहे, सो ज्या ब्लॉक वरना आपल्याला हा टेक ऑफ पॉइंट शिफ्ट करायचा आहे त्याचा गेन ऍड करायचा आहे, बट इट इज 1 बाय G. ओके, सो proof is written here, C of S is equal to G into R of S, and X is equal to only X is equal to R of S. Now after shifting this point, here C of S is equal to G into R of S, and here X is equal to R of S into G multiply by 1 by G. So this G and G are cancelled and we get the output R of S here. Okay, so while solving the block diagram reduction problem, getting single block, equivalent block, the said rule need to be applied after each simplification. A decision need to be taken for each decision suggested preference. So we studied rule number 1, 2, 3. So we have to give preference to the first 3 during the reduction. So we have to find out a single equivalent block. So block diagram is given, and for that block, in block diagram finite number of blocks are there, means more than one blocks are there, and we have to find out a equivalent block, equivalent single block for that block diagram reduction problem. So we have to prefer first rule number 1, 2 and 3, and if these 3 rules are not applicable, then we have to think about the next rule, that is rule number 5, adjust the summation point, rule number 5, 6, shifting of takeoff point, or before the block, after the block, or shifting the summation point before the block, after the block. Okay, so now we have to solve the simple, so we have to solve this problem using the block diagram reduction method. Okay, so now we have to solve the problem using block diagram reduction method. Okay, so I just stopped the recording.